How you doing, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Mo, and if you haven't seen the last video, go and check it out because I explained the brakes on the Sequoia. But today we're going to be putting the wheel spacers. Now these are Spidertrax wheel spacers, and if you see the thumbnail, they're not the regular blue. I waited so long to get the black Spidertrax. As you know me, I'm OCD and I don't want to go away from the colors and the theme of the build. So I went with these black ones. Now I waited a while to get them and they're finally here. But my God, the quality on them, they are just amazing. Now I don't like cheap stuff, as you can tell. I went ahead and got these Spidertrax instead of just some cheap black ones. I waited a good bit for these. But yeah, if you haven't put wheel spacers in your truck, or you're trying to, it's really simple. I never put any on mine. I'm scared of them, to be honest with you. But we'll go ahead and try these on and see how they look. I did not like how the truck the wheels don't really poke out, especially I don't have aftermarket wheels. I have the factory ones, and I needed a little bit of poke and to eliminate some of the rubbing. As you can see, it's rubbing back here on the frame. It's not a big deal. It's just on full lock, and yeah. So let's get started and put these on. Since we have brand new rotors, we don't need to clean up much. I mean, it could use a little bit of cleaning, but that's just too much work for me right now. Anyways, so they give you a little bit of thread locker. I mean, it's not much. I think each box has one, if I'm not mistaken. Check the box. If I can open it. No, this one's upside down. Yeah, each box has some. You just so per packet that's supposed to last per 6 lugs. Now put it on these lugs. Do not put it on the ones that are on the spacers, because that's the ones that you're gonna use to take the wheels on and off. So we're just gonna put them on these and go ahead and put the spacers on. All right, so we're gonna put some on here. Dab some. Now this is supposed to last for 12 lug nuts. I don't see how, but we can try to make it last. Anyways, now all we have to do is put the spacers on, and we're gonna put the taper side in first. All right, so I went ahead and torqued them to 100 foot-pounds instead of 90. And for the front ones, you're gonna need some help, somebody pushing the brakes, because if you try to torque them, whole spin. Yeah, go ahead, torque them to 100 instead of 90, and make sure you have somebody to hit the brakes for you. So you're going ahead and torque them, and let me put the wheels back on and do the rest of the truck, and I'll show you how it looks afterwards. All right, so this is the driver's side. I still haven't put the wheel space on here. I just wanted to give y'all perspective. As you can see, we're right above it and the wheel's sunken in a little bit. As you can see, sunk in. And let me get y'all to the passenger side where we did it. If you can see, it's sticking out a little bit better. It's not much, but it just really just changes the stance and makes it look better. I like having a little wheel poke. As you can see, it pokes out a little bit, and I'm hoping it helps with the rubbing issue. But yeah, so let me go ahead and finish up the rest of the wheels, and we'll see how the rear looks. Well, let me show y'all how the rear looks right now. As you can see, even the rear, I don't know if that will capture it. I mean, we'll come from here. It's kind of sunk, as you can see, so we'll poke out a little bit, and that's what I want. So it did achieve what I wanted, and as you can see, a little bit of poke, and Man, looks so much better. All right, well, let me go ahead and get the rest done and I'll show y'all. It's a little subtle difference. We just got the rear done. It's not much. I mean, inch and a quarter is just enough to stick the wheels past the little over fender here, the factory fenders. And the front I like. Now I think I need to align this better because it's bowed out. It's like I have a positive camber in the front. So that needs to be fixed. As you can see, both wheels are tilting out and I do not like that look. But overall, it's just a little subtle change to the wheels. Now if we get different wheels with -10 or -12 offset, it will stick out a little bit more, but it's not too aggressive. That's pretty good. Now these are on the factory wheels, so I definitely think it'll look better with different wheels. Yeah, but I'll leave everything linked in the description, so if y'all like this, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and I got more videos coming up.